Hi YouTube, this is Ben from Plant Diary. Today is June 19th, 2023. It's been 4 weeks. There are lots of things happen during the time. One of the biggest thing happened is mango grew a lot. So here is a mango that I planted May 27th. It's been, I think it's about 3 weeks now. You can see how tall it is. It's about, I think, almost 6 inches. There are many leaves. The leaves is actually not green yet, but like sort of brown colorish, and the stem is brown. It's interesting. As you see, when you plant mango from mango seed, so here's mango seed. You're advised to put the smooth side down and this curving side up. So that's how properly seed them, plant them in the pot. Okay, so I have one more mango, and this actually started earlier, a week earlier, which is May 20th, 2023, but it's actually a lot smaller. I think I should say that the right side of one is actually grew much faster. That's why. But the stem is like much smaller. But anyway, this has small leaves start to grow, so not bad. So this is one of the biggest changes that happened during the time. So as you see, there is no actually, so this side is actually smooth curve, while this side is not. So I realized that why it is advised to put the smooth side down inside the soil. But sometimes the seed itself, rarely you find a seed that has no such a curve that has two of this. So it's kind of round everywhere, and then you gotta figure out, depending on where the root is going to, then opposite sides where the stem is growing. So in that way, then you can figure out which side you put. So that's what I learned. And so let's take a look at the other one. And I have a watermelon, and it has a few more leaves now. Grew a lot more compared to 4 weeks ago. And I have other watermelon as well, but then it grew a lot faster when it's just germinated, and had a seedling. But after that, it didn't actually grow that much. There are small new leaves coming out, and all leaves are dying, and I don't know really what is happening, but that's where it is. Okay, so I put it back. So I have apples, and this apple, let's see. So this is apple started like May 7th, and there are many leaves, and I think that's what has changed compared to 4 weeks before. And I just water it, so that's why you can see the soil is so wet. I have one more apple. Okay, let's take a look at here, and this looks like a little different in terms of the size of leaves, So leaves are much bigger, and it's a little taller than the other one. I also have the lemon. Now this lemon is biggest one among all my collections. So this lemon is actually like getting close to 2 months now. So this is the biggest one that I have. I have one more lemon, so you can find that I have a two plants for each plant, each kind. So I have one more lemon here. It's a little shorter, but it'll have more growth, and it has a little smaller leaves is coming up, and actually still growing. So I'm planning to move these kind of things to bigger pots, probably in a couple of weeks or a few weeks away. All right, I think that kind of thing is update. And I have dragon fruits, 2 pots. One of them is gone because there are lots of dragon fruits, and I had to actually move them into longer and bigger pots, and I actually had a setup outside, move one by one. Had to be very careful because I didn't want to actually damage anything of that. But I had to actually sacrifice very small ones because it seems like they are not gonna survive anyhow. So about 40, still a lot. I plan it into a bigger pots, like a rectangular pots, several of them. So I'll make a separate video for that. But I still have one more dragon fruit here, and this is a little tardy in the growth, but then I'll see how this went out. I'll see. Maybe they're not gonna survive, or I can move this to the bigger pots that is outside. If the outside ones, some of them actually died, something like that. All right. Today my update is up to this, and as always, thank you very much and have a great day.